Hello, how you doing? So we've got some chicken today, which I'm cooking with garlic and tarragon, and I'm going to make a beautiful, no flour, creamy mushroom sauce. Absolutely delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So we're going to get started with our chicken. Now I'm using chicken legs for this recipe. The skin is on, the bone is in. Now if you wanted, you could use chicken thighs or any part. You could even use breast chicken if you wanted. Very simply, I'm going to get some seasoning on this. I've got here like a teaspoon of tarragon. And again, I like tarragon with this, with mushrooms. I think it works out really nicely. But if you wanted, you could use oregano, basil, rosemary, thyme. Take it in a direction that you want. Salt and pepper. We're going to highly season it with salt and pepper. Here I've got a tablespoon of chopped garlic. And then some olive oil. In that goes. And you can see I've got my glove on here. I'm just going to work this in. And then very simply, we're going to go to the cooker and get this slowly cooked off. It's going to be beautiful. So you're going to need some sort of skillet or frying pan or something. Now I've got one that's ribbed like this. I mean, that's neither here nor there, quite frankly. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our chicken and we're going to put this in. I've just put the heat on, and I've got the heat on just below a medium. Don't go crazy with this because we want to cook it nice and slowly. Now here we've got the balance of the oil, seasoning and garlic. Don't throw that away. We're going to be adding that. Now what's important about adding this is we're going to add it at a maximum of 50% of the way through. So these are going to take about 10 minutes, say. So after 5 minutes, at maximum, that needs to go in. And that's because you'll be then adding some raw chicken flavors to cooked chicken, which you don't want to do. So medium heat, and I'm just going to be turning these over, you know, every 30, 40 seconds, you know, just getting them nice and sort of cooked. But yeah, go nice and slowly so we get them cooked perfectly. So we're going low and slow. We're getting some lovely colour on there. And it's now going to add the rest of that marination and garlic. And again, nice, low, slow. Keep it going. We need it to be cooked all the way through. It's going to be delicious, this one. Okay, off goes the heat. They're beautiful. Going to get them out. We're going to take a look at some more ingredients. I mean, you can just eat that chicken just like this, but we're just going to make a nice mushroom sauce to go with it. Beautiful stuff. Let's move on. So chicken's done, absolutely beautiful. Like I say, cook that nice and slow because you've got the bone in there and everything. Mushrooms, I've got like 150, 175 grams of mushrooms cut quite small. Half an onion, 250 ml of cream. Now, I always get a lot of questions about this. It will make no difference if you use thick cream like this or thin cream. It makes no difference at all. Parmesan cheese, nice knob of butter. Let's get back to the cooker and make a really simple, beautiful mushroom sauce. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I'm using this frying pan so you can see it clearly. You could just do this in a saucepan. We're going to get that nice knob of butter in there, and we're first going to just slowly melt that down. So just as it's about to all go, we're going to drop in that onion, or half an onion, cut nice and small. We're going to stay below medium, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time. Now you could be adding some more garlic to this, but we had plenty on the chicken, so I don't think it's necessary. Next up, we're going to drop in our mushrooms, white chopped fresh mushrooms. Staying on this below medium heat. And again, we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Get these cooked. They're reduced down in size and may even give off a little bit of moisture. So as you can see, a little bit of moisture from these, and they're cooked right down. I'm now going to add some salt and pepper. Now if you wanted, you could add another herb, maybe some more tarragon or a different herb that you wanted. But for me, I'm just going to keep it nice and straight. We've got some beautiful flavour on the chicken already. Now we're going to add our cream, 250 ml of any cream, thick or thin, don't panic. It will all work out exactly the same. To that we're going to add that Parmesan cheese. Very simply, stay on this heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving all the time now. You've pretty much done it. It's very simple, beautiful mushroom sauce. And that's lovely. Off goes the heat. You've got yourself a fantastic, simple, no flour sauce there. I'm now going to drop in some chopped parsley or some other fresh herb that you might like a basil or something, but I think the parsley will work well with the tarragon of the chicken. Now, if you wanted, what you can do now is get your chicken back in here and let it cook for, 4 or 5 minutes to reheat the chicken. I'm not going to do that just for a visual effect. I'm going to be putting the sauce onto a plate, then the chicken. And there you go, very, very simple, beautiful garlic tarragon chicken with that lovely, no flour, simple, creamy mushroom sauce. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave comments, all that good stuff. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.